In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your itch.io page look good, even if you're starting from a plain, unfinished page. A clean and polished itch.io page can make a huge difference because it helps your game look more professional, builds trust with players, and makes people much more likely to click, read, and download. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software and game dev guides. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to focus on is your cover image or thumbnail. This is the first thing people see, so it needs to look clean, clear, and high quality. Choose an image that represents your game well, and make sure it is not blurry or stretched. A good cover image should instantly tell players what kind of experience they are about to get. If your image looks messy or low effort, people may leave before they even read anything else. Next, add high-quality screenshots. Screenshots are one of the best ways to show off your game, because they give players a real look at the style, gameplay, and atmosphere. Try to use screenshots that are bright, interesting, and easy to understand. Avoid adding too many similar images. Instead, pick the strongest ones that show different parts of the game. If your game has a unique mechanic, show that. If it has strong art direction, highlight it. The goal is to make people excited to learn more. Now let's talk about your description. Keep it short, clear, and easy to read. A lot of developers make the mistake of writing huge blocks of text, but that usually makes people skip over it. Instead, write in simple sentences and break things up so the page feels open and readable. Tell players what your game is, what they can do in it, and why it is interesting. You do not need to explain everything at once. You just need enough information to make someone want to continue. Another important part is spacing. Keep your text simple and spaced out. Long paragraphs can make your page feel crowded and hard to follow, especially on smaller screens. Use line breaks where needed, keep sections separated, and make sure the page breathes visually. A neat layout always looks more professional than a page that is packed from top to bottom. You should also choose a nice theme with dark or light colors that fit your game. If your game has a spooky, futuristic, or dramatic style, darker tones may work really well. If your game is cheerful, colorful, or casual, lighter tones might be a better choice. The key is to make sure your colors match the mood of your game. Do not use too many different colors, because that can make the page feel messy and unbalanced. A simple color palette is usually much stronger. Matching colors is another detail that can make a big difference. Try to use colors that work well together across your header, background, buttons, and text. If everything feels consistent, the page will look much more polished. On the other hand, if every section uses a different style, the page can feel random and distracting. Good design is often about keeping things consistent rather than adding more. Finally, keep the whole layout neat and organized. Your itch.io page should feel easy to scan from top to bottom. Think about the flow of information. Start with a strong image, then screenshots, then a short description, and then any extra details players need. When everything is arranged cleanly, visitors can understand your game faster and enjoy the page more. So, to quickly recap, if you want your itch.io page to look good, use a clean cover image, add high-quality screenshots, write a short, clear description, keep the text simple and spaced, choose a theme with matching colors, and make the layout neat and organized. These small changes can completely transform how your page feels and help your game stand out. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. And if you want, I can also show you how to make your itch.io page look even better with custom CSS, better layout ideas, and stronger presentation tips in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.